Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. SCON Design India PVT Limited is a leading provider of subdivision survey services in India. Our team of experienced surveyors and engineers is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to deliver accurate and reliable survey results. We understand the importance of subdivision surveys for developers and property owners, and we strive to provide our clients with the best possible service. Our subdivision survey services include boundary marking, site analysis, topographic survey, and more. We use advanced surveying equipment to ensure that our measurements are precise and our data is accurate. Our team works closely with our clients to understand their specific needs and requirements, and we tailor our services accordingly. At SCON Design India Private Limited, we are committed to providing our clients with high-quality subdivision survey services that meet their expectations. We take pride in our work and strive to deliver results that are both reliable and cost-effective. If you need subdivision survey services in India, contact us today to learn more about how we can help you. Thanks for watching.